Okay, we just take it out. Then disconnect the mirror wires connection. Check off the mirror itself. Connect the new auto rear view mirror bracket. Install the new bracket to have a test. Get the wire connection correctly. Then you need to have a test. See, it can control via the buttons on the left side door. 7-step, restore mirror place. Then wire the right door. Repeat all the same steps at the right side door. Restore the dash kit. Fix the plastic shell back to the original place. Have a final test, and it's done.